to 48 Lacewood Crescent in Brampton. Before I let you tour around the inside of the home, let me walk you through where it is located and what I love most about this location. It is located just a few minute drive from Highway 410 and just a short drive to two major conservation areas, Heart Lake and Claireville. And it's also so close to Bramalea City Centre. Don't spend too much time on shopping, but it's close to many top-ranked schools in the area of Brampton, so many convenience stores and business around here, but most importantly, it's in such a beautiful, family-oriented and quiet neighborhood. What I love most about the interior of this home is the flow of the main floor, where it has the formal dining room, family room, with the open concept kitchen, upgrade with stainless steel appliances and granite countertop.
Feels like I'm falling. Feels like I'm falling again. I hear you calling. I hear you calling. I'm falling. I couldn't ask for anything.
So coming up to the second floor, you will see 4 bedrooms in total, but not just the primary room that have ensuite on it, but check it out, the guest room that also have 4-piece ensuite.
I don't want anything, 'cause I got you.
So have you seen yourself living in this beautiful space with your family? Book a private tour with us. Phone number here 647-271-5461. Khoa with Real Broker.